Greetings everyone. I am Ana Marie Marquez from 3IT presenting my laboratory exam. This is my lab exam, which is I used 3 router and also 3 switch. It has 3 PCs each of one of the switches. In networking, inter-VLAN communication and static routing are essential concepts that let devices in different VLANs or virtual local area networks connect and share information. VLANs allow us to organize a large network by grouping devices into smaller logical sections like departments. For instance, in an office or school, departments like admission, accounting, and register are often set up as separate VLANs. Devices in the same VLAN can communicate directly, but to connect devices in different VLANs like admission and accounting, we need to set up a way to link these separate groups. To make this happen, we use inter-VLAN communication. One communication setup is called router on a stick, where we configure a router with multiple sub-interfaces, each assigned to a specific VLAN. Each sub-interface has a unique IP address, letting the router send and receive traffic for each VLAN. For example, we can create one sub-interface for admission and another for accounting and a third for register. By connecting these sub-interfaces to a single trunk link, the router can manage traffic between the VLANs, enabling them to communicate with one another as if they were a part of the same network. Static router naman, it helps support this by setting fixed route that guide traffic between the VLANs. With static routing, we manually enter routers that tell the router exactly where to send data meant for each VLAN. For example, if admission needs to send data to accounting, a static route directs the router on how to deliver it. This method is straightforward and works well for smaller networks with a stable layout. Let's proceed to once everything is configured, so we can test the setup by sending ping requests from one VLAN to another. If the pings go through, it means the devices can communicate across VLANs, confirming that our configuration works. CISCO packet RACER is especially useful for this, as it lets us set up, test, and adjust VLAN and routing configurations visually, making it easier to learn and troubleshoot. Using inter-VLAN routing and static routes, We keep the network organized and flexible, ensuring that departments can securely and efficiently communicate over a shared network infrastructure.